Olha, prova interrompida, todo mundo volta para dentro dos boxes.
A chuva está muito forte.
Tínhamos 8 voltas para o final da prova.
Pior que a volta para o box daí ali é muito tensa, porque ninguém sabe onde tem... a chuva é muito forte. Para quem está assistindo aí é até pior do que aparece na TV.
O ângulo de visão é completamente...
A chuva apertou, hein, Ale? Se continuar desse jeito, acho que a direção de prova vai acabar.
E aí, durante o replay,
Marcelo caiu.
Marcelo acabou caindo, hein? Uma pena para o Marcelo, ele fez a ultrapassagem.
Ele passou na poça d'água.
E a chuva se intensifica de uma forma. Vamos acompanhar o procedimento da direção de prova.
Juliano também caiu.
Tem mais piloto fora da pista, hein? Aí o replay, o piloto levantando a moto, né? Para tentar voltar. E aí o Juliane...
Aconteceu a mesma coisa que o Marcelo. Nossa, a moto caiu em cima dele.
To do that in front of us. Through goes one of the RS1.
One of the European cars goes past, one of the Caymans skateboards past us.
Oh, huge off for the Audi. That is at the bottom of the hill.
Has to be red flag.
And that's an all-wheel drive car.
Yeah.
And that is at the top of the hill through 14 and 15. The intervention vehicles are standing by. Anyone who's not on...
Heldigvis godt ser det ud til.
Ja.
Tak for det.
Men til gengæld for enden af lang tid, der har vi crash big time. Vi har, og det er faktisk det er de 3 første i løbet. Og der er flere kørsler. Puha!
Hold derop. Rødt flag.
Der er heller ikke andet at gøre. Rødt flag simpelthen. Sikke et crash. Nu krydser jeg bare fingre for, at det kun er materiel skade. Ja.
Now, is this going to explain why we've got a safety car? Well, yeah, more than. As Albert Costa in the Lexus flies off. Oh, it's a car park. Lorenzo Berral de Viega, Thomas Biaggi in trouble. And it's Albert Costa who's possibly gone the furthest at the Bruxelles hairpin. He's just in the gravel. And this is Alex Moiseev as he just tries to get the power down the Kaspersky Racing Ferrari. And this is... Now, this is... Oh dear, Jules Simconviac in the SPS Automotive Mercedes, pushing hard behind the safety car to get up to the tail of the train. And
right now is a huge story when the... Oh, the 19 cars in the wall over here in the infield. The 9 cars break off. The leader.
The leader of the race just spun out.
All right, take back when I was 10 in the wall.
10 car. Ross Chastain into the wall. His windshield wipers are working. Haley right now is out front.
You can end up like this right here. Another car heavy in the barriers, and this may bring the caution out.
Tommy Joe Martins is stuck in the tire barriers as we see the...
Oh, there's a couple cars in the fence over there.
There's
another one in the wall.
Just dove into the fence.
I think they got to throw the yellow here because you got cars sitting there.
Austin Hill.
Off the racetrack.
Here's the 99 McLaughlin.
You got more cars. And then this area right here is a real danger, and the reason why we needed to throw the yellow, because more and more cars were going to pile into this. So, Junior, is that just exiting 5 to 6? I'm trying to figure. That's where it is, right? They're losing it into turn 5. It's a flat entry.
They're off. The lights are out. And a great start by Sam Lowes. A poor start by Gowland. A tremendous start by Ben Wilson. How does that man do it? He launches the Geerling Kawasaki round the outside in the second lane. And I think that might be Gowland. Is that Gowland who went down?
Couldn't see. It is Gowland.
It is Gowland went down.
Oh, there's a lot that are going down this.
And it's it's mayhem in the first turn here. And I would think, James, it's fairly possible there were a few unsighted riders going into that fast right now.
There's a lot of spray. There's a lot of spray. I should think that's going to be a red flag. That'll be a red flag. So we're just no red flags yet. We can see the marshals. I think instead they're going to put a pace car unsighted. Of course you can. And the first few corners are the most dangerous because everyone's condensed, and then people spread out a bit. Somebody else is down. Is that Alex Lowes? Look, they're all going down.
So
that looked like Sam as well going straight on. It's really.
And Ian Hutchinson's had a problem. Alex Lowes has got a problem on the seat and tuning Yamaha. He's trying to get it. Here's Alex Lowes. Whoa, that was sudden. That wrapped him down on his shoulder. But, Ben Wilson, number 15, absolutely creamed it off the start. And then it's difficult to see what happened after that. Ian Hutchinson was going round the outside on bike number 4. And something happened
the
outside
bike comes
there.
Back in the track, and Ian Hutchinson gets hit. His leg gets hit. So
Hutchinson could have likely intent on trying to get that third place in the championship.
Yeah, it's someone's front forks and wheel.
Yeah, that bike is
ripped off. Look at that.
That front end of that motorcycle is completely detached.
That's not the motorcycle.